So today children, we are going to solve linear equations with two terms on both the side. 1, 2, two terms, 1 and 2, two terms, left hand side 2 terms and right hand side 2 terms. So now we will bring variable to one place. So 5m is already there in the left hand side. Let that 5m be like there only. 3m which is on the right hand side. When it comes to left hand side, it becomes minus 3m. 5 which is in right hand side, let it be like that. Minus 3 when it comes to right hand side, it will become plus 3. So 2m is equal to 8. M is equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. Let us see the sum. 2x minus 7 is equal to 3x minus 11. So 2x which is in the left hand side will be there as it is. Plus 3x I will bring to the left hand side. It will become minus 3x because 3x is having a positive sign. Minus 11 which is in the right hand side, let it be there itself, and this minus 7 when it comes from left hand side to right hand side, it will become plus 11. So this is 1 plus 1 minus, what we will do, subtract and put the sign of greater number. So it is minus 1x. 1 plus 1 minus means subtract and put the sign of greater number. So minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 1, because 1 into x is multiplication. When it comes here, it becomes division. The subtraction sign gets cancelled. Answer is 4. Let us go to the next sum. Now here 7m minus 3 bracket m minus 2. That means 3 has to be multiplied with m and 3 has to be multiplied with 2. 2 bracket open 3m minus 5. Here also 2 has to be multiplied with 3m and 2 with 5. So 7m minus 3 into m, 3m. Minus 3 into m is minus 3m. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6 is equal to 2 into 3m is 6m and 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. So 7 minus 3m is 4m plus 6 is equal to 6m minus 10. So I will bring 6m from right hand side to left hand side, and minus 10 which is on the right hand side will be there as it is. Plus 6 will shift this side. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2m. Why minus? Because 6 is having the greater sign. And minus 10 minus 6 is minus 16. So m is equal to minus 16 divided by minus 2. Signs get cancelled and it is 2 8s are 16. Let us see at the last sum. Minus 2x minus bracket open x minus 1 plus 8 equal to 0. So minus 2x. Now I am just opening the bracket. If there is a minus sign outside the bracket, signs inside will change. So now plus will become minus. Why? Minus into plus, minus x. Minus into minus, plus 1. Plus 8 is equal to 0. So minus 2x and minus x is minus 3x. Why? Because when there are two negative signs, we add and put the sign of greater number is equal to, now 0 will be here at is, plus 1 will become minus 1, plus 8 will become minus 8. Minus 3x is equal to minus 9. X is equal to minus 9 divided by minus 3. Negative signs get cancelled. 3 3s are 9. Hope you understood, children.